Welcome to the very first Fusion 360 video. In this video we're not going to talk too much about the actual program, we're just going to get some files loaded so that you can use them later on. So the first thing I want you to do is click on this area where there's 9 squares, it's called the data panel. You'll click on it and you won't have all of these things like I do, but what I want you to click on is New Project. And that new project, we're going to call it Fusion Training. If you wanted to put Fusion 360 Training, that would be fine too. So you'll type in there, push enter, and then you'll see that you actually have a folder. It might take a few seconds to get that there. You'll then double click on Fusion Training. You will not see any files in there like I have. This is what you're going to do, is you're going to learn how to upload all these files in there. So you're going to click on Upload. Then you'll click on Select Files. Now you'll probably be at a stage where you might know how to find the public drive, you might not. So I'll go back to where you might see a screen like this where it just has a bunch of different folders. If you scroll down, you should be able to find one called Open Public. So double click on that. Now instead of looking for the folder, we're actually going to search for it. So we'll click up in the search bar and we'll type Fusion 360 Tutorials and push enter, and there should be a folder there. You should be able to double click on that folder. Then you should be able to click on Tutorial Files to upload. We'll double click and we want all of these files, so we'll just select all by clicking in this box up here. You could also just select them all by left clicking and selecting. So then once you have them all selected, you're going to click open and they should show up there. Again, it might take a little bit of time, and then you'll just push upload and then all of your files should upload. So once you have that, I'm going to click cancel because I've already got those. Once you have them, you should see all of these files should appear in your Fusion Training area. And again, it might take a minute or two for them to show up, depending on how quickly it goes. So you should have all those. You will not have a folder called name tag. You will make that later on. In the next videos, you'll actually learn about Fusion 360 and start learning about how this program is similar to 123D and how it's a little bit different and in a lot of ways a lot better.